Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to a mailbag unboxing. It is January 28th, 2023 when I'm making this. The first thing is from BC, from Attleboro, Massachusetts. And it is Dinosaurs, Volume 4. Yeah. Cool. Woo, looks in great shape. Cool. Nice. There it is, eh? Nice. Cool. Great shape. The next thing is from Tom's Treasures from Staten Island, New York. Oh, for the love of Christ. And it is Dinosaurs, Volume 3. Yeah, on VHS. Yeah. Woo, good shape. Nice. Awesome. All right, and last but not least, we have from Michael Burns from Coplay, Pennsylvania. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Heavy on wrestling. Have a nice funkin' day. Oh yeah. We'll unbox another video, and then crossing the line of heavy on wrestling, which we'll unbox another video. Cool. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. The other time I upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.